that, you see?
Sherry, what's your favorite television show?
No, I can tell you that. My favorite television show is Fresh Prince.
All right. And what else? Any other favorite shows?
Yeah, there's the movie channel and Cartoon Network and the Music Box. That's it.
And what are the big bands today? What are the big groups that everyone's into?
Don't worry about that. But that's the one ask me.
Ask Nicole? Nicole knows.
No. Ask me something else.
All right.
I like is like salt and pepper and mostly a little
Well, what's your favorite song?
My favorite song is Hero from Mariah Carey.
From what?
Hero from Mariah Carey.